The VIVE Full Face Tracker is a face tracking accessory that captures your eye and mouth movements to give your avatar true-to-life facial expressions. In the box, you'll find the VIVE Full Face Tracker, a dedicated face gasket for the tracker, and 2 gasket spacers. Before installing the VIVE Full Face Tracker, adjust the diopter dials on the headset as needed. Start by removing the face cushion from your headset. Move the IPD slider all the way to the right to maximize the distance between the lenses. Make sure the tracker frames are seated against the left and right sides of the tracker. Attach the tracker to the headset. Make sure the USB connector lines up with the USB Type-C port under the headset's right temple, then gently press the tracker against the headset to ensure that it's securely attached. Next, open the lip cover and move the lock switch to the locked position to secure the tracker to the headset. If needed, attach a gasket spacer to the tracker. The gasket spacer helps improve comfort, fit, and eye tracking accuracy. The VIVE Full Face Tracker comes with 2 gasket spacers you can attach to the tracker at the same time. Finally, attach the face gasket to the tracker. Align the tabs on the face gasket with the notches on the tracker and then press the face gasket against the tracker to lock it in place. Make sure there aren't any gaps where light could get through. When you first install the VIVE Full Face Tracker, the headset will prompt you to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the IPD automatically and calibrate the eye tracker. To access the tracker's settings, open Settings, then go to Inputs and select VIVE Full Face Tracker. If you've recently shared your headset with someone else, you'll need to readjust the IPD and recalibrate the eye tracker. Select Calibrate next to Calibrate Tracker to set it up from scratch. You can also install the VIVE Full Face Tracker and modify its settings with help from the Vive Manager mobile app. See the user guide for details. Here's how to remove the tracker from your headset. First, remove the face gasket, and then remove the gasket spacer if it's attached to the tracker. Move the lock switch to the unlocked position and close the lip cover. Hold the front end of the headset firmly with one hand, and then carefully pull the tracker from the lower right side to detach it from the headset. To avoid damaging the tracker, make sure not to pull it from the left side. Reattach the face cushion to the headset.
Now you can enjoy VIVE Full Face Tracker to express your facial expression with your friend. See you next time.